Somewhere between a shimmer and a glitter lies a sequence eyeshadow. They can be metallic eyeshadows with sequins in it, or my favorite, matte eyeshadows with sequins. And these can instantly elevate your eye makeup game. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you the most delicate foxy eye using matte eyeshadows, including a matte sequence eyeshadow right in the center of my lid. These are perfect when you're looking for that subtle but a glamorous look. So if you're ready, let's begin. As always, I'm starting with my brows and I'm using my favorite eyebrow pencil. This is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit in the shade 4.5. This is a smudge-proof and a waterproof brow pencil that lasts throughout the day. And what I personally love about this is the micro tip. It's very easy to draw those natural hair-like strokes. To even out the skin under my brow and as a primer on my lid, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer in the shade 135. If you don't have much discoloration, you can also use an eyeshadow primer. To prevent this concealer from settling in the fine lines and creasing, I'm going to lightly set it with the Too Faced Translucent Setting Powder. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Your Golden palette from Colourpop. I'm first dipping into Private Beach, which is this deeper shade of brown, with the E27 brush from Rose & Ben Beauty. I'm going to mark my inner crease. I'm going to start with the inner corner and take it to all the way above half of my lid. And I'm going to keep adding more eyeshadow till I'm happy with the intensity. With the same brush and the same eyeshadow, I'm also going to carve out the outer edge and start pushing some of that eyeshadow towards the inner part of the lid. If you prefer, you can also use a sticky tape in the outer corner to get that sharp edge. And then I'm taking a little bit more of the same eyeshadow with the E28 shading brush, again from Rose & Ben Beauty. And I'm going to use this to soften it up and push some of that eyeshadow towards the center of the lid to get that beautiful ombre effect. While I'm making it deeper in the outer corner, I'm going to make it lighter in the inner corner. So I'm going to dip into PCH with the C30 concealer brush and I'm going to clean up under the cut crease. And then with the residue that's left on the brush, I'm going to start pushing it towards the center of the lid. Now we've set that ombre tone and we are ready for the sequence eyeshadow. This is my favorite eyeshadow in the palette and it's called Must Stay. It's a matte eyeshadow with sequins in it. With the C30 brush, I'm going to apply it to the center of the lid. You can see how delicate that looks. I prefer this to glitter eyeshadows. Glitters sometimes can be chunky and they can be uncomfortable on the lid, unlike sequence eyeshadows which are very comfortable on the lid and look stunning. I'm dipping into Private Beach again and I'm going to deepen the outer corner just a tad bit. So there's a nice flow of colors from the lighter shades in the inner corner to the deeper shades in the outer corner. Using just a tad bit of concealer, I'm going to clean up in the outer edge to get a sharper corner. And then I'm going to be using Private Beach in my lower lash line as well, smoking it out using the Rose & Ben E27 brush. Rather than using an eyeliner, I'm going to mix a little bit of black eyeshadow with the brown eyeshadow. I'm using Let's Do It from Colourpop. This is a matte black eyeshadow with Private Beach, which is the brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this as a smoky liner. Using a small angled brush, I'm going to pull out a small wing as well as line my top lash line. That looks so stunning in itself. You can call it done by applying a coat of mascara. I want to extend my inner corner as well, so I'm going to be using the E26 pointed liner brush. I'm going to use the same combination of eyeshadow, the black and the brown, and extend my inner corner. I'm going to keep it really soft in my waterline as well, so I'm going to be using this metallic pencil by Bare Minerals in copper. Using a bit more of PCH, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And I'm going to finish up by curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara. I'm going to be using the Pillow Talk mascara. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. And while applying mascara, I'm going to push my lashes outward and upward. That'll give you an elongated eye look. And here is the completed look. Again, super delicate. I'm loving that sequence right in the center of the lid. It gives you enough glam for a special event. At the same time, it doesn't look overpowering and in your face. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, as always, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to watch more videos like these. If you plan to recreate this look, especially during the holiday season, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box, along with all the products that I used in today's tutorial. I love you guys so much. Happy holidays, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.